aluminium structures, pipe welding, V-butts, stainless steel structures and mild steel structures. I learned very early on, an old supervisor, he said to me, Curtis, make sure you plan out all your welds. So I was looking at the job and he said, right, when you're looking at a job, if it's got multiple welds, don't just go, right, I'm going to weld you, because you might turn the job over and now you're overlapping and it's not going to look smoothly. So make sure when you look at a job, look out for stop starts, make sure that all the welds are going around nice and smoothly, because one, it looks good, two, the time management, you're going to do jobs quicker so you're going to look good again, and three, things will look a lot neater, so it's just more pleasing to the eye. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Thanks for watching, stay tuned.